Just kind of a thought of the day, as I look through all my picks and the different sets and um, different companies. All these companies have got their good stuff and their bad stuff, and I went through and picked out what I think works the best for me, and it isn't just one single company or single set. And yeah, I'm not one of those guys who is like all gung-ho about Covert Instruments or Peterson or Multi-Pick. Multi-Pick is one of the best companies there is, but in this pick set, there's a lot of stuff I don't use. I've never even touched, and I probably never will, Sparrows. There's some profiles I like, and yeah, so I bought a couple sets of them, and when they break, they're gone. Oh well, but what else do we got in here? Dangerfield. I love their 8-piece Turner set. I bought 2 of them. Comes in a nice case, and granted the Turner set you had to put some sandpaper to, but still, it all works great for me. Well, except kind of these Sparrows, black flag things. I just use those to poke stuff. But I guess that's their use. But anyway, that's my thought for the day. Alrighty, thanks. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you later.